Beautiful people, welcome to another vlog. So today is Thursday and I'm working from home, so I thought this is the best time for me to kickstart a new vlog. And what I want to do today, I won't take you long throughout the day, but I thought I should just show you some of the things that I got yesterday, as well as do an unboxing for a perfume that I got as a gift, which I'm super excited about. So let's start with the items that I got yesterday. So yesterday I went to Woolworths and I got some sheets from there. So I got some fitted sheets. They go for $3.29 and they have 144 thread count. So these are poly cotton sheets. So I got one in gray, and then I also got another one in white. So with the sheets, I am planning to buy new sheets for the house, and I want to go for like great quality sheets as well, mainly because I don't have much sheets, one, and number two, the bedding that I have is not really the aesthetic that I want to keep or that I really like, but it worked for the time being. So now that I can be able to buy myself a couple of things, so bedding is definitely going to be one of the things that I'm going to buy. So I just decided to start with sheets because that is an emergency. And I'm looking to get flat sheets as well. So for flat sheets and duvet covers, I want to get like from 200 thread count, like 100% cotton, and then hopefully get a higher quality 300, 400 or 500 thread count as well. And I'm looking to go for like neutral, and then just add a pop of color with maybe the flat sheets, as well as the scatter cushions and throws. So I will be taking you along and showing you everything that I get for my bedroom. So yeah, this is only the beginning and I'm super excited. I think I'm going to change my bed today because so I love these that I got. So with that out of the way, okay, how did that happen? I just got ugh. That's not nice. Did I get it? So the perfume that I've been using throughout last year is the YSL perfume. I think I've shown it on the channel, and I think I'm left with 2 pumps and it's finished. So you can imagine how happy I was to receive a perfume as a gift, which means I have my scent for the year, but moreover, I want to start building a perfume collection. And I want to do a combination of like designer perfume as well as what's this? You know, like perfumes from Zara, and just, you know, start having a collection and not just rely on one scent for the whole year. So the perfume that I got is by Jean Paul Gaultier. It is called Scandal. It comes in this pink beautiful box, and then that's how it looks like. So yeah, I haven't tried it, so I'll be trying it for the first time with you guys, but I have high hopes with it. I have high hopes for it though. Oh my. Okay, I like the box. It's a textured box. Like it feels suede. The box, it's not like box. It's like a suede finish on the box. So it's really nice. Even this, even the scandal and the Jean Paul. So it looks great. I like the packaging. Okay, so under inside, let's see. Oh, so it comes like this. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Look at that. Oh my, it looks so pretty. Oh, look at that. So this is the 180 ml. I actually like the bottle so much, so much. Okay, now for the smell test. How do I open you? Okay, the smell test. I'm just going to put that on me and just.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Like the smell.
Yeah, I do. I like the look as well. It's so pretty. Okay. I love the scent. I just need to see how it wears throughout the day. But today I'm not doing anything extra. So I'll be just working from home, indoors, sitting most of the time. So, we'll see how it wears, but I really do like it. Thank you, babe. Oh, thank you very much for this one. I love it. I just love it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to come in and share with you guys. Yeah, so I guess I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue vlogging for the day. If I don't, I will see you on another day, but if I do, obviously you will see some clips of me going about my life. So for now, I'm just gonna finish my breakfast. I'm having what is this thing called? Weetabix and milk, and then I just have my water and I'm all set up to start working, and I think that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I think from now until I knock off, and then yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. So yeah. Hello lovely people, welcome to another day. So today is a Friday, it is 6 o'clock and I just walked in the door since I've left in the morning for work. So after work I decided to go to Evergreens. Well, I did not decide, but it happened. I went to Evergreens and I just wanted to get some items for the house that we needed. We mainly needed veggies, fruits, and meat. But all of the staples we do have in the house. It's only those things we needed. So I just want to show you some things that I got. The place, I think it's fairly affordable, but you can easily spend a whole lot more than you wanted to spend initially because there is such a wide range of selections, like especially for fruits and veggies. You find everything. Okay, I even saw a dragon fruit. I'm not sure if I like it, so I didn't get it. But it's a lot of things that you can find there. They also sell like groceries. There's also butchery. It's like a macro type of setting without the clothes. So I went, so some veggies that I got this set. It is, so this I thought it was really affordable. It's ginger and some garlic, cloves, and look at that, it's 69 rand 95. Normally, I only get the clothes when I go to Pick and Pay for that price only, or the ginger only. So I think that was affordable. I got some spinach, only one bundle, and then some mangoes in a box. I also got some cake in this box, cabbage, and obviously some snacks in the house. Last month I thought living without snacks it was going to work out in this house, but I found out so living without snacks is not the way. So the other item I've got, I'm gonna show you some. It's quite a lot. Oof. Let me move some of this. Move that out of the way. So I got grapes. I think 3 of these. They went for 58 rand, and then 3 of these nectarines. They went for 60 rand. So when you buy this from Fruit Lovers, 2 of these nectarines are 64 rand. So that is a bargain. Some carrots. So I need to put this away actually. And obviously milk. I ran out of that like last week. So the whole week I didn't have milk and it was torture. Margarine, I ran out of that yesterday. And then beetroot. So it's mainly veggies. So I got, and meat. So I got meat. So with the meat, I got short ribs, pork, and then some mint. Because I already have chicken and, okay, I think it's oxtail. So I only have chicken in the fridge and oxtail. So I decided to get this and then fish for meat. Can I cut this here? And then the other thing that I got, so I got these 2 of these baby tomatoes, some plants, and then onion. So this is one of the most used items in this house in my cooking, so I use a whole lot of onions. Some peeled butternut. One thing I do hate doing is peeling butternut, so I got peeled ones. I'm just gonna wash it really well. Probably with soap. But I'm glad it was peeled for me. Broccoli, aromates. So I ran out of this yesterday as well. Oh, and some passion fruit or granadilla. I don't know how you refer to it. And they smell so good. The section for the passion fruit, when you walk by, it smells divine. So I think it's the smell that got me, and I think I'm gonna leave this to age a bit because they taste better every time when they look a little bit old or beaten or rough, whatever they taste. But when they are fresh like this, I normally don't enjoy them. They taste bitter instead of sweet. And that's also what I do with my plums, my peaches. If I find that when I had one of them, they are a bit sour, I keep them out of the fridge maybe for a week, and the following week they will taste sweet. So I just let them continue the process of, you know, getting ripe. So they ripen very well outside the fridge. And then I got the plastic. So this I use to separate my meat. So I like to portion it so that when I take out meat out of the fridge, I'm taking out a portion that I'm going to use and not taking out the whole tray and cooking just 2 pieces and putting back the whole tray and doing that for the whole week. So I like to portion my meat and making sure that I only take out what I need for that day. So it only makes sense to me. So that's what I do. And I got honey. So this, I normally buy it for 60 Rand at Pick n Pay, and at Evergreens it's half the price. You have no idea how excited I was to see that. I also got a huge sack of potatoes because I love potatoes and we do a lot with potatoes in this house. The other thing I got is this big panel. Look at that, humongous. And some Coke. This is normally for my partner, my boyfriend, because he doesn't like juice, so he has this. And I do also drink cold drink, but not as much, so that's for him. And then I also got cooking oil, and this as well is cheaper. So normally last month I bought, let me show you the size I bought last month. This is the size I bought last month, and look at that. These are exactly the same price. This is from Pick n Pay, this is from Evergreens, and it's exactly the same brand. Bewell, Canola, both of them. So I'm so glad that I know of Evergreens now and I can compare the prices, because food is bloody expensive. Really, really expensive. And then I got these. These are green peppers, red peppers. The second most used vegetable in my house is this. So that's why I got this much. And funny enough, I use all of this before it gets rotten. So you can imagine how much I use. And the last item I got bananas. Whew. So, and all of these things that I got from Evergreens, they were 1.6. All of these things. For me, it's a lot. Plus the meat. Like everything I just spoke about here, 1.6. I think I'm gonna go back again every month after month, because I have been spending crazy amount of money at Pick n Pay just to get this amount of grocery. So I think I'm going to go to Evergreens. Obviously this is not everything that I normally buy every month, because I normally add some tin stuff. I also add some maize meal, rice, pasta, but those are things that I have currently in the house. But even though I have those things, I would spend more than this at Pick n Pay. So yeah, I'm so glad that I came across that place. Super excited. So the other exciting thing I want to show you guys is what's happening over here. So never mind, that's my meat that I'm going to package. So I got a new washing machine. So if you have been here for a minute, you know how I have been doing laundry by hand since last year November, because my other washing machine was just not working properly anymore. It was just not cleaning the laundry. So it works every, like the all the mechanisms work. It's just not cleaning the laundry anymore. So I have been hand washing since November, and it honestly has been torture for me. And that's why when I was able to get the washing machine, I just went for it, and it's just been really amazing to get it now, just to have my Sundays and my Saturdays back, because even though I will not wash all of the laundry, I would spend 2 to 3 hours on just a few selection of clothes that I've decided to wash for the week ahead. So I'm looking forward to doing laundry. Hello, mommy. Hello. So I'm looking forward to doing laundry this weekend and see the bottom of my laundry basket again after 3 months. I wanted to say 3 years. I almost say 3 years. After 3 months. So for me, that is just hello, mommy. So that for me is just a big deal, and I'm so happy that that is sorted, and then I can focus on the rest of the house. So yeah, currently we are connecting the washing machine. I was connecting it to the water supply, and then I'm going to connect it now to the drain, and then yeah, that's what I will be doing. So that's what I will be doing. Let me give you something, mommy. Something. There you go. So that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the evening, and cooking, obviously. I'm going to be packaging my meat, packing this grocery away, connecting that washing machine, and then start with my cooking for the evening, and then find something nice to watch for the rest of the evening, and that will be it. But yeah, I think that is all that I wanted to show you guys, and I will see you probably tomorrow as we go. Yeah, I think I'll see you tomorrow it is. So yeah, bye. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another day. So, today is a Sunday, and I'm just going to be indoors today. I am primarily focusing my attention on doing laundry. I've already started with my first load, and I'm so excited. And I have prepared different loads, and I think I'm going to have like a total of 8 loads, which is a bit scary. So, I think I might not do all of it, so I will see though how far I get with everything, and then if I don't finish it, I'll do the rest of the laundry throughout the week. Now I can with a washing machine, so that is a bit exciting for me. And then I'll also be doing a little bit of tidying up in the house. I wanna pack my cabinet. I still have like groceries that I did not put in place, but it's only a few. I'm sure it's like 6 items. So I'm going to try find some space in the cabinets and just move things around. Um, you know, just having, so that'll just be a week thing. It's not going to be a long-term solution. It's just going to be a temporary one, like for a week. Next week I'll figure out, I think not even next week, but I'll keep on figuring out how to uh, get my kitchen in order because it's not currently, and we'll work through that, I guess. So I am done cleaning my kitchen. It looks really, really clean. And the nice thing is that not only the outside is clean, but I've also done quite a bit of cleaning the drawers, in the cabinets. So I worked a system in here where I have my pots up here, and then veggies in there. I'm looking to get, so some of them are in containers, so I'm looking to get more containers in here so that I don't have things like that and that, and just have a everything in containers. So that is pretty much clean. So in here, these are things I use for my daughter, my teen stuff and milk. So yeah, I got a bit of a system going on that I actually like. So I have plates, glasses. I'm intending to remove those and put them in the other cabinets, so that I can only have glasses here. So that's that. These I also want to remove, these bottom one and that one and that one, and just keep the new ones that I bought, and that I'm currently using. So I'm gonna pack these away, not today though, but that's what I want to do. In here I have my tissues and plastics and some dishwashing cloths. So the mess is in here. I'm not going to show you today. All of my groceries are in here. So I'm looking to get some jars so that I can decant most of them. And also jars for this part as well, for the, not jars, but containers for the veggies that are in here. So in here are my spices. I just cleaned and put them there. So I also want to get some spice containers in there as well. So yeah, but it is clean. So I'm glad that I cleaned that.